Finally, I'm going to fix my license disc. I'm going to pay my license disc today. This is a day before the final day of grace period. Yeah, and I've packed very far. I packed go parking at Checkers, get Rand when you spend an hour. Then from there it will be 5 rand, I think. I cannot park next to, like, on the street parkings in town. Those people are, I don't know, Polokwane municipality must do something. One time I paid my parking, but to my knowledge, the next time I found myself owing, and I haven't even parked in the street like in a long time. I don't really like parking on the street. The only time when I park on the street is when I'm going to somewhere whereby I just go in and out. But this Polokwane municipality people, people must be vigilant about that. So I found myself owing. I'd rather walk. Shame. Plus, immediately when you land in their parking, already you owe them 8 rand. The first hour is 8 rand, and here the first hour is free. Then the next hour, the second hour, that's when you're going to pay 3 rand. Probably by that I'll be gone. Yeah.
You wish you were someone else I miss, but I know we miss your old self too.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack it.
Welcome to my channel. Welcome again to this video. I went to Pick and Pay during the day, and I had bought some things that I wanted in the house. One of them is this Miami Archer. It's a hot one, and this side I bought bananas, and the apples. I got these oranges, and this was a combo of 3 for 150. I think things went up. Yeah, 150 or 129, something like that. I cannot remember. And this one was a combo also. I got some onions. They were going for a combo of 3 for 90 rand. Then I got some green peppers, and then I bought tomatoes, and a bread. So this is what I got. They costed 420. That includes my lunch inside and a 2-liter Coke, which is not here, which is at work. So yeah, now I want to fill up the bucket for tomorrow and put in the water for bathing now, and again fill it up for tomorrow. So I'll be cooking also. Where's the meat? I think it's still in the car. That lady left it in the car. I'll go fetch it. So I got this 8 pieces. It's 4 thighs and 4 drums at 46 rand 84. This is the tray that I like to buy always, because I eat it 2 times, like now and tomorrow when I come back. So I prefer this kind of pieces always.
If we weren't going back, it doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Stockholm lights, the Stockholm feels a year away. Like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
guys, remember the other time I said I bought Lucky Star corned meat instead of Blue Brand because this was cheaper. So I didn't see it was a hot chili flavor. Yo, this is too hot, guys. This is too hot. I cannot eat it again. And in this house we don't do hot. Even at my mother's place they don't do hot chili things. I don't know who I can give, but this I cannot consume again. It is so hot. I didn't see it, I just picked it up. And with Lucky Star, tomato and chili, their colors are different. This looks a little bit of magenta color, and the one in tomato sauce is always in red. So I didn't see it, and we got it hot. So this side I'm just gonna fry it on a low heat until it gets brown. So Molata Fling, I'm going to do those dishes quickly and leave them like that. Leave them there as they will. I will take care of them in the morning. At this moment, I didn't know. No. I'm just on.
But I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
These dishes were not too many, honestly. It was a plate from the morning and a plate for lunch, and those spoons there. But if you don't do dishes, the table looks funny and the kitchen just looks untidy. So I just wanted to just get rid of them, but I didn't want to put them in the cupboard straight away because I didn't have time. Actually, I wanted to cook pap and that chicken there, even though I'm not gonna show them here. The only thing that I could do was just to show you what I'm preparing for dinner. And thank you guys for tuning in. I love you so much, and please subscribe, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, share if you can. I love you so much, and thank you for engaging with my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.